Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find Swift code of Bank Muscat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find Swift code of Bank Muscat, what you can do first is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Bank of Muscat Swift code. Then once you hit search, the Swift code will generally be shown at the top, which is BMUSOMRXTBG, and the Swift code of 8 characters is BMUSOMRX, and the bank name is Bank Muscat, and bank address is the given location, and the branch code is TBG. The next method that you can use is by simply on the search bar type in Bank of Muscat login. You can simply use your mobile banking as well. And once you're inside here, simply select online banking option. And once you're inside there, all you gotta do is enter in your user ID and your password. And once you log into your account, what you need to do is find the account details option. There you will find the international transfers option, and there some banking platforms list the Swift or BIC code right there. The next method that you can use is take your bank statement or account documents. Swift codes are sometimes printed on statements or statement PDFs as well. You can check right there as well, and ask your recipient or bank directly as well. The person receiving the money can check with their branch and tell you the correct Swift code. And you can also use Muscat support and ask with the customer support by confirming your Swift code. Always confirm the exact Swift or BIC with the recipient or the bank, and using the wrong code can delay the transfer. You'll also typically need the recipient's full name, IBAN if required, and account number for international transfers, and banks sometimes use specific Swift codes for some branches, so if you have a branch address or name, that can help confirm the right one. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.